Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to add a ticker, sponsor, or just random pictures if you want. A ticker down at the bottom, sub count, view count, chat box, anything you guys want, like on my stream. So I'm going to teach you guys all how to do this in this video today, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So first off, make sure you have OBS, and then normally it will just take you into a normal scene, such as this one right here, or just normal sources they give you. So to start it off, if you just want to know how to add normal text, you hit this plus button under sources, down at the bottom, text, free type. Just name it whatever you want. And then we'll just put a bunch of text in. That's just random text. For a ticker, make it decently long. So here we go. Just normal text right here, so you can see. So if you want to change the color, you go down to properties, scroll down, you can select the color. For the video, we'll just put black so you can see it. And there we go. So now we'll put this ticker, or it will be a ticker soon, at the bottom. Or if you like your ticker at the top, it doesn't matter where you put it. You could be at the top or the bottom. Just for this video, I'll put it at the bottom. Now you're going to right click it, or you can right click it on under sources. You go to filters. There's a plus button at the bottom. Hit scroll and just put OK. And now you can change the horizontal speed to whatever you want. That's how fast it's going to turn. Or like scroll down. So that's 500. But we'll put it down to 23 is what I have mine on. Or something around that. So you see all the text is just going out the bottom. So whatever you put down here, it could take up this whole bottom line just saying whatever you want. So you can see mine just says sub to Rogue and other stuff like that. So now you have a ticker. Now what you might want to do is add your sub count. So you just go to whatever your browser source is, go to livecounts.net, type in your YouTube channel or URL. So we'll see mine's 94. Now what you want to do is you want to hit copy it. You want to Command C or Control C, whatever it is for you. Copy the URL. Go back to OBS. Plus browser source. Doesn't matter what the name is. Go to URL and paste whatever it is in right there, and now it will show the sub count. Now what you want to do to crop it, you go right here, change the width, and just change it, the height and stuff, if you want to make it smaller. And then to crop it, go to filters, add crop pad. So left, I don't know how much we need to do, let me see. We'll do 125. Ooh, 50 or 50, there we go. 55, okay. Right, 125, bottom, 55, 60, 70. You enlarge it and put it at the bottom. So if you guys want to learn how to add a chat box like this one, doesn't look like a chat box, but it is. So what you want to do, go over to your browser source, Go over to your YouTube channel. Go to Creator Studio. Down to live streaming right here. So once you're on live streaming, you want to go right over here to chat. Make it a pop-out chat. If you see these three dots right here, a pop-out chat. Now when you have a pop-out chat, right-click the top where this URL is. Hit copy website address. It's the only one there. Crap, one sec. Don't close out of it. I accidentally closed out of it. That's why. Copy website address. Go to OBS. Hit that browser source again, all the way at the bottom. Make it whatever you want. Doesn't matter. And then paste it. Now you can just do the same thing with the last one where you just crop it. Oops, wrong one. Go to filters, add filter, crop pad, and crop it however you want. If you like it like this, the whole thing, leave it like that, and just make it smaller. Now we have that done. So if you want to learn how to add pictures like my sponsor I have here, go down to the plus sign, image, any name, doesn't matter what you want. Go to browse, and then find your image. It was right there. There we go. So if you just want to put your picture in the corner or something, you just put it right here. So, well, actually, we're going to go on a little bit more. I'm going to teach you guys how to, I'm going to teach you guys how to go to Streamlabs and do some cool stuff in there. So if you want to go over to streamlabs.com and then log in using YouTube. So once you're in YouTube, go to down under widgets and hit alert box. Once you're in alert box, copy this URL right here. So once it's copied, go to OBS, go to add, and then to add it, go to browser source, doesn't matter, and then paste it. Thing actually, there shouldn't be anything here. It should just be blank like this, if you guys can see. Just where you can crop it. So what you're going to do is you're going to head back to Safari. So you could hit test subscriber to see if it actually worked. And you should hear a noise. And then you should see this pop up on your OBS. So if it's like that, you got it. Sorry about all the cuts that are happening. So now that's set up. You can go back to Safari, test the donation if you want, see if that works. So you just donated it. So when someone donates or subscribes, that will pop up. And then if you want to add viewer count, you can go down to viewer count, copy the link, do the same browser source thing I just did, and you could put that wherever you want. So now if you want to put like maybe a goal, subscriber goal, donation goal, anything, I'll actually add us a donation goal in my real stream. So we probably want to mess with the settings and stuff. So start amount 0. Put a date. I'll probably put the end of the year. So 12/31/2018. Goal amount. Put a small amount. Maybe just $5. Title. donation goal. Then settings, you can mess with that if you want. So start donation goal, copy it, OBS. I'll go to my actual stream one. Go over to browser source. Donation goal. And enter that. We'll put it at the top of our screen. $106 to go. Just a yearly goal, $5 if we can get that. That would be nice. And then there's more stuff to mess with. Just like find it's not that hard. Most of them are browser sources. You can add a spin wheel, which I have. A jar for like donations. Try to fill up the jar. And then just donation settings and crap like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy the video and you learned something. And make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 100 subs right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.